Silence! Class is now in session. And welcome to the Dallas Kitchen where we spill the tea on everything food. Today again, I'm with the gorgeous
Fatima Idha.
The last time with Fatima Idha we baked chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Today we're making calamari. We're going to the sea. Under the sea.
Under the sea.
Under the sea.
Dallas Kitchen, taste the red.
Okay, if you don't know calamari, in Kiswahili they're called ngisi. This is what they look like, and they come with the tentacles. Yeah. So we're gonna turn this into rings. Have you had calamari before? What am I saying? You sell seafood. This is how you. So usually they come like pockets, like that. So to turn them into rings, you just. You see? Now they're rings. So we're gonna cut them. On a calamari rings, you know. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Oh.
Where, Bible? So like, why did you choose this dish today?
Because I always see you eating seafood on my life, so I was like,
Okay.
this girl loves seafood, so let's make some
You
seafood.
studying your people, eh?
Yeah, I do my homework.
Okay. So are there other ways to cook this dish or just this?
Yes, you can grill it, you can skewer it, you can use. There's a recipe that I did with pasta, calamari pasta.
But can you bake with it?
I haven't tried baking, but how would you? I guess you can.
I'm sure there'll be ways on how you can bake with it.
I guess you can. You can just marinate them, then put them
You
in
can
the air fryer.
caramelize them.
Yeah.
Then
Only millennials will get the reference.
like even now, people watch the mermaid. See, usually.
Oh, the real action.
Yeah, the real map.
So we're gonna put the in there.
Calamari rings. Yum. Can you have them raw? Like with soya sauce.
Like calamari
Have you ever
sashimi.
Have you ever had anyone eat them raw? And then go eat sushi and stuff?
You wanna try?
No, maybe we'll just
Should I
Google.
grab the soy?
Maybe we'll just Google.
I think any fresh seafood is a good.
You can.
As long as it's fresh, not frozen. Ours was a little bit frozen, so Sasagas. Here I have some organic culture cayenne chili paste.
That looks yum.
This is our products that we make from the farm.
Oh, let me see.
It's fermented chili paste.
Wow. Mambo kama haya. Is it spicy?
Yeah. But it's made from cayenne pepper, so it doesn't have, it doesn't give you heartburn.
Hungry heart, end of day. Traffic heat and salty spray. One name on your hungry breath. Dallas Kitchen, taste the rest. Dallas Kitchen, Mombasa side. Spice and love in every bite. When you're thinking what is best, always
This is
just
my special spice mix. I make this myself.
So do you sell them?
Yes, I'm planning to sell them in the future. So once it's ready, you guys will. Hiyo sell them usiwaulize. Wataka watu waanze kufanya.
Sasa hii tu nataka kujiambia haya, tumaliza na mambo ya cookies, tumekwenda mambo ya spice. Tutafrop hizo.
Nataka kusema is my special spice. Every time I go my special, mpaka watu wenyewe waulize. Huyo special spice yako nini? Ndio kaanza ku. I think this is better.
Yeah. This one made for the kids.
They're still gonna be good.
Oh.
So always, for me, with seafood, I like to keep it simple because every seafood has its own flavor. So I want to let it shine. Now let that sit aside. Next, we're going to take some all-purpose flour. Some salt. Some black pepper. Some of our spice mix. These are mixed herbs, mixed dried herbs. You can find them in the supermarket. Where is my thingy magic? Then just whisk that together. Now we put this aside. We're going to use it later. Let's go back to our calamari. First things first, we're going to take 1 egg. Just crack. We just want to crack 1 egg. Mix it well. And then I like to sprinkle some flour just to make it sticky. We want it to be sticky so that when we dip it in the dry flour, it sticks. It's just gonna form like a paste from the. Not a lot, just enough to make it active. So, this is how it should look like. Well, not everybody gets it.
Exactly.
So we're gonna turn on the heat, then add some oil. As we're waiting for the oil to become hotter, we're going to coat this one. And tell me one thing, as a female content creator from Mombasa, do you get any heat or hate from the community?
Yeah, a lot of times people think that we're on media to find attention. A lot of times they think we want to display ourselves, but truly, I believe that that's not what we're looking for. If we had men who are like providers, who fully catered for everything for us, I don't think we would put our images on social media. At the end of the day, ukiona kila mtu ambaye kwa social media ambaye anajulikana kwa biashara, but they fail to see that aspect. They see more of the creation, more of the influencer, and that's very discouraging for us. Because people tend to judge you. You play, you go living, you must speed.
Yeah, I know, especially in Mombasa.
Yeah, and that's not who we are on ground. Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do now, we are just gonna cut our rings in flour. So if I put them in the, I'm just gonna cover them like that. You can squeeze the flour in it, then wiggle and put it in there. Then we're gonna cut them twice.
Hungry heart, end of day. Traffic heat and salty spray.
Do you have calamari in your seafood boil?
Yeah, as an add-on.
Is it grilled or boiled?
Dallas kitchen, Mombasa side. Spice and love in every bite.
Now we're just gonna add some water to this bowl. Then you're gonna take your rings again. Just dip them in water like that once, then coat them again in flour. We want it to be very crispy. This is optional, but I like to do it. That's a good question. That's a very good question indeed.
Stirring joy in every craft. From the stew to the smoky breast, you can see
I repeat, you don't have to do this step, but I like to do it because I like being extra.
It's always extravaganza. Sema bismillah.
By the time wakiangalia video tutakunya tutapata leo. So our oil is hot. We're just gonna kufuta moto. Kwa hiyo mimi nikikuona naona kama wewe baby girl. So we're just gonna dip them in hot oil.
I don't deserve a cooking lifestyle. I know.
That's enough. We can continue doing the rest. Once they start floating, you know they're ready.
Ooh, that looks nice. Oh. Yum, yum, yum.
Put them on a wire. Then we're going to continue frying them.
Stirring joy in every craft. From the stew to the smoky breast, you can see love's at best. Dallas Kitchen, Mombasa side, spicy love in every bite. When you're thinking what is best, always just a fat chef. Oh yeah, always just a fat chef. Dallas Kitchen.
This one is definitely a 10 over 10. After me 100 over 10. Minus nothing. This sauce, definitely.
Have you tried it?
What are you talking about? Like, I'm gonna bring sauce on my own. Hello. Can you guys hear the punch?
So good. Make sure you try this. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you follow Fatima Idha in all her socials.
Yes, sir.
And what do I always say? Always trust a fat chef. We know what you're talking about. Bye.
Dallas Kitchen, taste the